Today is January 7th, and Owen is going to try his first bits of solid food. It's just this little cereal with some formula. He looks like he knows what's happening. No? Does it taste good? Yum, yum, yum. Want to try a little more? Does it taste good? No? How does it taste? Do you like it? Are you eating any of it? Or is it just on your face? Are you going to eat any of it? How does it taste? Can you swallow it? Yum! Yum, 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 yum. Are you swallowing it, honey? You want to get your hands on it, huh? It's really not too solid. It's pretty liquidy, huh? Yum! Want to try some more? You like it? Yes. And try to swallow it. Yeah, you don't have to move your head over. I'll get it in your mouth. Yum. Okay. There should be more. Don't worry. Oops. I should put a little less on the spoon, I guess. Are you liking it? Seems. I think some of it's gone down into your tummy. Is there some going into your tummy, honey? Good boy. You just sit back and relax. I'm going to bring it to you. Oh, yum. Okay. Oh, you spit a bunch of it out. Okay, ready? We're going to turn the camera off since it's not terribly eventful.